My name is Will Howes. I own Sound Design. We are a audio video company out of Austin, Horseshoe Bay, and Lakeway. We do custom homes, middle road to very high end. From a basic install to a very high-end custom install, I take much pride in being a part of the install, showing up on site, and making sure it's done right the first time. Out of all of the shade and screens that we've installed over the years, Screen Innovations has really risen to the top, and we're excited to start working with them and installing their screens, their shades. Hopefully we'll just exclusively start using SI for all of our screens and shades. Over the past almost 20 years of doing this, we are excited to start using Screen Innovations because they continue to innovate and really be ahead of the game. Being in Central Texas for almost 20 years and having a company be local where I can get my screens, my shades, customer service, and just someone to answer the phone instantly when I call, I really am proud to be an owner of an audio video company in the Austin area where I can use Screen Innovations as a local vendor. Working with Screen Innovations and bringing in my crew, we were able to do, once again, a very unique, challenging install and finish it with flying colors and another happy customer.